Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on fixing the Thermomix TM31 error 69. This error often occurs when the device overheats or when there is a malfunction in the temperature control. Let's break down the steps to diagnose and fix this issue effectively. First, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and possibly some contact cleaner. Having these tools ready will make the process smoother. To begin, unplug your Thermomix TM31 from the power source to ensure safety. Next, carefully remove the base by unscrewing the 5 screws located at the bottom using your Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the base is removed, inspect the internal components for any visible damage or loose connections. Pay special attention to the wiring connected to the temperature sensor, as this is often where problems arise. If you notice any frayed wires or loose connections, these may need to be repaired or replaced. After inspecting the wiring, it's essential to clean the internal components. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or residue that may have built up over time. If you have contact cleaner, apply it to a cloth and gently clean the connections to ensure they are free from any grime. Now, let's address the temperature sensor directly. Locate the sensor and check for any signs of damage. If it appears faulty, it may need replacement. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, and our technicians can handle this for you. Next, reassemble your Thermomix TM31 by reversing the disassembly steps. Ensure that all screws are tightened, but avoid over-tightening, as this could damage the plastic casing. Before plugging it back in, it's a good idea to perform a final inspection. Ensure there are no loose wires and that everything is securely in place. If you're unsure about any part of this process, contacting a professional can save time and effort. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Now, plug in your Thermomix TM31 and turn it on. Monitor the device for a few minutes to see if the error reoccurs. If you still encounter error 69, it may indicate a deeper issue within the device, necessitating a more thorough inspection. Remember, you don't need to make any calls or travel, our service is designed for your convenience. If the problem persists, reach out to us for a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and no hidden fees. In conclusion, troubleshooting the Thermomix TM31 error 69 can be straightforward with the right tools and steps. Regular maintenance and cleaning can prevent many errors. If you feel overwhelmed or the problem persists, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. We're here to help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.